So this is the Mind 1 Pro. It actually has two minds in one. And we'll explain that in just a moment. But let's first start off, the first thing you notice with this is how compact and thin this device is. You can see here it's about the size of a card and it's only 8.9 millimeters thin, and it comes with an AMOLED display protected by Sapphire glass around it. You also notice that camera on there. It's a 50 megapixel camera that flips up to the top if you want to do selfies, so flips to the back and works as a regular rear facing camera. Now inside this phone, we are running a MediaTek Octa-core processor with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. There's also a vSIM inside of here that gives you free built-in internet on 4G. Now there is a SIM card support as well too in Nano SIM, so you can add your phone number to this and use this as a regular phone and messaging and get your normal connectivity here with it. Now on one side of it, it is running Android 15, which they promised 3 major Android upgrades, 5 years of security updates and patches to keep things going. So this is going to run like a normal Android phone. But with one flip of a switch, it turns into the AI OS part of the phone. So this allows you to focus on AI translations, your study help, the visuals. It pretty much narrows everything down to the AI features within the phone you can use right there. And you can switch between those really simply and easily with just a flick of a button, which I thought was a pretty cool and a pretty nice sort of idea. Now, this also has the ability to have a keyboard case attached to this to get a little bit more sort of productivity and functionality out of it. Now it's available sometime, I believe, in March and shipping. Right now, it's under late stage pledge. When I look at the page here, it's about $429, what they're looking at in terms of pricing on sale here. And it comes in a few colors such as pearl white, jet black, blush pink, and ice blue. But overall, let me know what you guys think about the Mind 1 Pro here. Would this be something you'd get as a main phone, as a secondary phone? Let me know in the comments. And as always, live your tech world in high definition. Thanks for watching.